Unlocking the power of intelligent machines. Picture this. You're browsing your favorite shopping app and it says, "Hey, those sneakers you've been eyeing are now on sale." Or you're streaming a movie, and the platform suggests, "If you like this, you'll love that." Convenient, right? But how does it happen? What is AI and how does it know what you like? Let's dive in and uncover the mystery together. AI, short for artificial intelligence, might sound futuristic, but it's a part of your everyday life. Think of it as an intelligent system that learns, adapts, and makes decisions based on data. Kind of like teaching a kid to ride a bike. You guide them, they practice, and eventually they master it. AI learns in a similar way, except instead of bikes, it works with data, patterns, and predictions. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Imagine AI as a chef. The chef has a recipe, that's the algorithm, uses ingredients, that's the data, and creates a dish, that's the output. Similarly, when your map app calculates the fastest route to work, it uses an algorithm, the recipe, processes real-time traffic data, the ingredients, and gives you the best route, the output. AI combines instructions with information to deliver solutions that feel tailor-made, like recommending the perfect song for your morning run. AI is limited, so it can be wrong sometimes. The thing is, AI doesn't actually know you. It just recognizes patterns. Have you ever received a completely random recommendation like a playlist of polka music when you're into pop? That's AI fumbling the play. It doesn't actually understand your tastes. It just guesses based on the data it has. Sometimes it's spot on, and sometimes it's a little offbeat. Next, there are three amigos of AI. 1. Reactive AI. Like a vending machine, it responds to inputs in real time but doesn't remember past interactions. Simple but effective. Limited memory AI. Think of this one as your GPS. It remembers where you started and plots your route but forgets everything once you're home. Short-term memory, big impact. 3. Self-aware AI. This is the dream or nightmare of sci-fi fans. Machines that think, feel, and act independently. How do you use AI in everyday life? This intelligence is everywhere, quietly transforming how we live. It's in healthcare, helping diagnose diseases faster. In your car, finding the safest routes. And in your email, sorting spam. Even your virtual assistant, whether it's Alexa, Siri, or Google, is an AI buddy ready to help. From suggesting the best vacation deals to translating languages in real time, AI makes life smoother without demanding much in return. People may ask, is AI dangerous? Here's the truth. AI is a tool like a car. It can take you places, or it can crash if misused. The real challenge isn't AI itself, but how we choose to use it. That's why responsible AI development, focused on ethics, transparency, and fairness, is crucial. AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about amplifying what we can achieve. So here's the bottom line. AI isn't some all-knowing wizard. It's a powerful tool that simplifies tasks, sparks innovation, and helps solve complex problems. You don't need to be a tech guru to understand or use it, just a little curiosity and a willingness to explore. Are you ready to discover how AI can empower your life? Great! Let's dive into the next chapter and explore how you can tap into the magic of these machines.